Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So if you're getting a RegSvr32 or Kernelbase.dll error on Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7, no stress, I'll walk you through a step-by-step fix that works on all versions. Let's fix this fast. So what is Kernelbase.dll? So the Kernelbase.dll file is a core Windows system file, and if it's missing or corrupted, you might see RegSvr32 errors when trying to register DLLs or launch apps. So let's fix it. First, make sure you are running tools like command prompt or your applications as administrator. And this avoids permission issues that can trigger the RegSvr32. So to do that, you can just right click on the apps on the file that you want to open, and here you can just choose to run as administrator like this. And next, system file checker. So you can run the system file checker, open the command prompt in here as admin and type, you can just type like this, sfc scan now like this, and then you can just hit on enter, and this scans and repair corrupted system files including the Kernelbase.dll. And for Windows 8 and up, you can also run the command Okay, so you can run this command in here, and this uses Windows Update to repair your system image, which help fix DLL issues. And once system files are repaired, you can try re-registering the DLL, and in command prompt, you can just type in this, and if that fails, it's because the Kernelbase.dll is a protected system file, but don't worry, that's expected. And you can also, this is optional, you can replace manually, if you are advanced user, you can manually replace the Kernelbase.dll from a working system, but be careful, so always backup first and only use clean sources like official install media. And now restart your PC and launch the app again. The errors should be gone. And that's how you can fix the RegSvr32 and Kernelbase.dll errors in any versions of Windows. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tap on the thanks button for more fast tech tutorials. I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye!